Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 27 August 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor, here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Let's proceed towards today's session. This was our previous day question. Our first question was Ashwini Bhatia became new managing director of which bank? PNB, SBI, SDFC, ICICI. The correct answer here is option B, SBI, State Bank of India. Government of India has appointed Ashwini Bhatia as MD and CEO of SBI. Okay. The State Bank of India headquarters is situated in Mumbai. It is established in 1st July 1955. On 1955 it is founded. And the chairman of the SBI is Rajneesh Kumar. Rajneesh Kumar is the chairman of SBI. Our second question was India's largest river ropeway inaugurated in which state? Assam, Maharashtra, Odisha, Goa. The correct answer here is option A, Assam. In Assam, India's largest river ropeway recently inaugurated and it is about 1.8 km over Brahmaputra river. Okay, Assam is in news. The capital of Assam is Dispur. Chief Minister is Sarbanand Sonowal and Jagdish Mukhi is the governor of Assam. Okay, I hope you got the answer and the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is Women's Equality Day is observed on 25 August, 26 August, 27 August, 28 August. The correct answer here is 26 August. Option B is correct here. On 26 August, Women's Equality Day is observed. This day celebrated every year to honor the hard-fought victory of the women's suffrage movements. Okay, so Women's Equality Day is observed on 26 August. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which state has topped the list of Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Bihar. The correct answer here is Tamil Nadu. Option A is correct here. Tamil Nadu has topped the list of the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana in availing loan to women. Okay. Tamil Nadu is in news. The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Chief Minister is E.K. Palaniswamy and Banwari Lal Purohit is the governor of Tamil Nadu. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Poulomi Khatak has announced her retirement. She belongs to which sports? Football, table tennis, cricket, badminton. The correct answer here is table tennis. Option B is correct here. Table tennis, the Indian table tennis player Poulomi Khatak has announced her retirement. She had represented India in Commonwealth Games in 2006. In 2006, she represented India. Okay, and she is a table tennis player. You can see the image of Poulomi Khatak here. Next question. Who has certified the African continent free from wild polio? UNESCO, WHO, UNICEF. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is World Health Organization. Option B is correct here. WHO has certified the African continent free from wild polio virus. Okay, wild polio virus. And WHO announced it and certified it. World Health Organization is the abbreviation, and the headquarters of WHO is situated in Geneva, and Director General of WHO is Tedros Adhanom. Tedros Adhanom is the Director General of WHO. Okay. Question number 5. Who has bagged the first ever gold medal for India in MCWC? Nilakantha Bhanuprakash, Shakuntala Devi, Scott Flansburgh. Option D, none of these. The correct answer here is Nilakantha Bhanuprakash. Hyderabad's Nilakantha Bhanuprakash has got the first ever gold medal for India in Mental Calculation World Cup. MCWC abbreviation is Mental Calculation World Cup by Mind Sports Olympiad, and it is organized by Mind Sports Olympiad. Okay, and I want to mention here that he has beaten the record of the math scholar like Shakuntala Devi and Scott Flansburgh. You know the Shakuntala Devi is from Kolkata, a very famous and veteran genius mathematics scholar. Recently, a biopic of the Shakuntala Devi is also released, and actress Vidya Balan played the role of the Shakuntala Devi. Nilakanta Bhanuprakash also beat the record of Shakuntala Devi and Scott Flansburgh. Okay, you can see the math scholar Nilakanta Bhanuprakash here. He is from Hyderabad. He is from Hyderabad. Okay, next question. Which railway division launched baggage sanitation and wrapping machine? Ahmedabad, Kolkata, Bhubaneswar, option D Mumbai. The correct answer here is Ahmedabad. Option A is correct here, Ahmedabad. Baggage sanitation and wrapping machine has been launched by Ahmedabad Railway Division at Ahmedabad Railway Station. It is in Ahmedabad Railway Station. Okay, and Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. Ahmedabad is in Gujarat. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Which bank used satellite image to assess farmers' credit worthiness? HDFC, PNB, ICICI, SBI. The correct answer here is ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank. Okay. ICICI Bank used the satellite data to assess the credit worthiness of the farmer, and it is the first Bank of India to use such a technique. First Bank of India to use such a technique. ICICI Bank. The headquarters of ICICI Bank is situated in Mumbai. Okay, and the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank is Sandeep Bakshi. Sandeep Bakshi is the MD and CEO of ICICI Bank. Okay, next question. Rajiv Srivastava resigned as Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of whom? Indian Energy Exchange, Tata Group, Mahindra Motor, option D none of these. The correct answer here is Indian Energy Exchange. Option A is correct here. Indian Energy Exchange, the Managing Director and the CEO, Rajiv Srivastava, has resigned from his post. Okay, you can see the image of Rajiv Srivastava here. Indian Energy Exchange is in news. So, headquarters of the Indian Energy Exchange is in New Delhi. In New Delhi, and it is founded in 27 June 2008. Indian Energy Exchange founded in 2008. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who has set off an e-auction portal to enhance trading of geographical indication tagged GI tagged Kashmir saffron? Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, option D none of these. The correct answer here is option C, Jammu and Kashmir. Agricultural Department of Jammu and Kashmir has set off an e-auction portal to enhance the trading of GI tagged Kashmir saffron. GI means geographical indication tagged. Kashmiri saffron got the geographical indication tag before, and recently e-auction portal is started to enhancing the trading of Kashmiri saffron. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. You can see the image of the Kashmiri saffron here. Next question. Pascal Lissouba passed away. He was the ex-president of which country? USA, Congo, Poland, UAE. The correct answer here is Congo. Option B is correct here. The former Congo president Pascal Lissouba passed away. Okay, you can see the image of Pascal Lissouba here. Congo is in news. The capital of the Congo is Brazzaville. Brazzaville is the capital here, and the current president of the Congo is Denis Sassou. Denis Sassou is the current president of Congo. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Who became fast bowler to take 600 test wickets? James Anderson, Muthi Muralidharan, Anil Kumble, Shane Warne. The correct answer here is option A, James Anderson. James Anderson became the first ever fast bowler. Concentrate in this point. First ever fast bowler to take 600 test wickets. Okay, and In overally, he is in fourth number because Matthew Muralidharan, Anil Kumble, and Sen Won are the spin bowler and got this record previously. Okay, and so James Anderson overall in fourth number, but according to first bowler, James Anderson is got the first position. Matthew Muralidharan, Anil Kumble, and Sen Won are the spin bowler, and James Anderson is the first fast bowler to world record to taking 600 test wickets. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day. You have to answer in the comment section and we will discuss this answer in our next session. Our first question is, who is the author of the book titled Who Painted My Lost Rat? Our second question is, who is launching a new app named Super App for digital services? Please try to answer more in comment section, thereby a regular practice is done by you. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. And those who first visit Educational Wing, please subscribe the channel for the further updates. Have a great day. Thank you.